The law for headlights, you can either have white or amber headlights.
Sure, I now know.
You now know?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that you should probably know that before being put on patrol?
That's overruled.
It's overruled? For what reason?
The objection sustained. It's irrelevant.
It's irrelevant that this man should know the laws of...
Plus, officers, that's what they do. They're out on the road.
Profiling?
In order, making sure that maintaining the peace. They're allowed to go behind any vehicle and look up the license plate to make sure the person's licensed to drive. You might not like that, but they can.
I'm sorry.
I'm confused. Make sure the vehicle's registered.
I'm sorry.
When you put your car on the road in this state, you have Fourth Amendment privileges, you have constitutional rights, but police are out there to make sure that there are no equipment violations, to make sure that everybody's okay, there's a caretaking function, make sure people are abiding by the speed limit, that they're stopping at stop signs, that they're maintaining their lane. I mean, you're kind of suggesting that he has to look the other way.
No. I'm not, Your Honor. I'm not suggesting that at all.
It kind of sounds like that, but okay.
Your Honor, I have a question for you, sir.
Go right ahead.
Are you insinuating that this officer should not know the laws of headlights before being put out on patrol? And second question, please, you could answer them both at the same time if you don't mind, sir. You also said that any officer in the state of New Jersey is allowed to run your license plate, even just if they feel like it?
I'm just looking at it to try to explain to you.
I'm confused.
And the laws
Yes.
of the state
Yes.
are such that you don't have the same, you have
Privacy?
rights, but you're taking to the road in a motor vehicle subjects you to having police be able to
Run your plates?
run your
For no
registration.
reason?
Yeah, well, that's my understanding. If I'm wrong,
That's
I'm
wrong.
And that's not really the crux of this case. It's not even a fact here.
It is,
But
Your
what
Honor.
I'm telling you is privacy in your home, it kind of transcends it. It's not, you don't have as much, yeah, it's true.
Sir,
it's different in your home than it is when you're on the road.
You're right.
On the road, an officer has a right to
Violate your constitutional rights?
No, to look left and make a determination. I haven't made a determination yet, to make sure that all your lights are on, that
Yes.
you're properly maintaining your lights.
Yes. I was just...
They have a right to do that.
I just misunderstood. I thought you said that they were allowed to run your plates if they feel like it.
I said they're allowed to check vehicle registrations. I think that's what I said. Yeah.
By running your plate, if they feel like it?
Vehicles are
No.
registered? Yeah, they can.
And if you're...
You know what? If I'm misstating the law,
Yes.
I apologize. It's my understanding.
I studied it before coming.
My understanding is that recently, recently, when you've been practicing laws and practically being the judge as long as I have, within the last decade or so, yeah, that's a new state of affairs. And I used to do defense law too, and many years ago, and I was as surprised as you are. Yeah, I believe an officer has the right when to check the vehicle registration to make sure that the vehicle is legal.
Well, Your Honor, I would
But
just...
that's not the point
Yes.
of this case.
Well,
It's
it has...
trying to-
Yes, I'd just like to make a
You and I
statement,
are
please.
having a good Socratic discussion.
Right. Yeah.
About the law.
Yes. No
You
disrespect.
study law.
Yes.
I'm just trying
Your
to
Honor.
make sense of it all.
Yes,
for you.
I would just like to, I was talking to you, just one more minute, please, on this topic.
Yeah,
The reason...
I'm happy to do so.
Okay, let me just explain something, please. And if you agree, that's fine. If not, that's fine as well.
I very well
The
know
Supreme...
or not, I don't know.
Okay, please. The Supreme Court has made it apparent that officers are not allowed to run a license plate for no reason unless they do something wrong. For this reason, officers possibly could run a good-looking girl's license plate. They could get her address and other information. Please let me finish.
No, I'd like to see the case.
Okay, Your Honor, it's been proved they're not allowed unless you do something wrong and make a traffic violation or your vehicle, please let me elaborate. Unless your vehicle is not up to code or you make a wrong turn, etc., okay, a traffic violation, unless you commit a moving violation or your car is not up to code, an officer cannot just run your plates for that reason, because they've had officers, I'm sure you're aware that officers have been charged in this country before for doing crimes. Not every officer is, it's a shame, but not every officer is a law-abiding citizen.
Again, I don't claim to know everything.
Right.
And I may even be wrong, and I'd be the first to admit.
Okay.
I believe what you're saying
Please.
used to be the law. I don't think it is any longer. I could be wrong. If I am,
Sir,
I'd be
the
first
only,
to say,
yes,
know what, Mr. Kelly?
yes.
You were right. I was
I'm
wrong.
not trying to-
No, because I'm not too
Okay.
proud. I would be the first
Right.
to say, thanks for that case.
Okay.
You just taught me something.
Okay,
Thank
I
you.
wish I had the
I don't
Supreme.
think that's the case, but
Okay.
whatever. It's not relevant.
Yes.
Let's move on to this proceeding.
Yes.
My
Yes.
fault for sidetracking us.
No problem.
I take responsibility.
No problem. I apologize for elaborating so much on it. Mr. Polanski. I'm sorry, could you pronounce your name one more time?
It's Officer Polanski.
Officer Polanski.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Again, could you please, before we got sidetracked, I asked you, do you know if I'm correct by stating that a driver in New Jersey, vehicles in New Jersey are allowed to have, because white or amber headlights, is that correct?
Yes. I believe so. I'd have to read the statute, but I believe you're correct.
Okay, thank you. So if I had amber headlights, there was no reason really to, draw your attention. Is that correct, sir? If I had white or amber headlights, would that?
It's not cause for stop.
Okay.
It's not cause for stop.
I mean, I'm trying to, please let me understand. Why did you feel that you needed to draw your attention to my vehicle when it was clearly within the state of New Jersey law that I had white or amber headlights? Because let me state this before you answer. In the video that I'm going to show, if Your Honor allows me, you state that the reason you originally pulled me over was for white or amber headlights. Is that true, sir? Did you originally pull me over? The first reason that you, please let me finish, is the first reason that you stated you pulled me over with your partner because of white or yellow, you said your headlights are yellow. That's why I pulled you over. Is that the first reason?
I'd have to review the camera.
Okay, sir.
Absolutely.
Okay. Excuse me, Your Honor, or the state could possibly answer this. This says Polanski BWC. Is that body cam? Body work cam. Thank you, officer. Okay. To your recollection, your body cam, was it operating correctly that night?
Yes.
Your body cam, the microphone and the video was operating correctly?
Yes.
Okay. I'd like to submit this, Your Honor. This is Officer Polanski's body work camera, directly from, I got that from,
That D4.
yes. Thank you, Your Honor. So, excuse me, for the record, you're stating that your body cam, your body cam, is that what you call it?
Yeah,
Was
body work camera.
okay, body work camera. To your recollection, your body worn camera was operating properly with video and audio.
Yes.
Thank you. Your Honor, I would like to.
They're loading in.
Yes, thank you. I would like for you to pay close attention to the audio on this body-worn camera from Officer Polanski. I would like to state on the record that this case was actually dismissed by the Superior Court in Cape May Superior Court. One of the reasons for that was the officer's body-worn camera was operating inefficiently, and you'll see that here. If we can get it up. While we're waiting, Your Honor, I would like to ask a couple questions to Officer Polanski. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Officer Polanski, did you conduct the traffic stop alone that night?
No.
No. Did you have a partner?
Yes.
Who was your partner that night, sir?
Patrolman Acevedo Reyes.
Okay. Is that the same patrolman? I feel I recognized him when walking in. Is he here today?
He was earlier.
Oh, he was earlier. He's not anymore?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Your Honor, is it possible to call that officer in for another potential witness?
Did you subpoena him?
I didn't subpoena anyone, Your Honor.
If he's here, I would say, yes, he should come in, but you need to tell the court,
Yeah. Well,
staff, who you're gonna be calling, and you need to
well, Your Honor.
issue
Okay.
subpoenas.
Well, Your Honor, when I originally came in here, the first day I was here, I asked if I could have a public attorney. I asked that because I am not a lawyer. Please let me finish.
Listen,
Please let me finish, Your Honor.
let me tell you, maybe I can save us both time. You're only entitled to a public defender when there's a case involving
Magnitude.
Magnitude.
Right. Excuse me. Would losing your license when you need it for your family, for transportation, and for work transportation be a subject of magnitude?
You're not gonna lose your license here.
Excuse me. If I get any tickets whatsoever, moving violations, my insurance will drop me. Therefore, I would not be able to submit.
Doesn't
No.
transcend to your insurance company, what's gonna happen after this court. This court's concerned with whether or not it's a charge and a potential offense that's gonna result in me
Okay.
suspending your license.
I'm
That's the cutoff.
I'm not allowed. If I am found guilty today of either charge, I will lose my license. I feel that that is enough magnitude to have someone represent me that has the knowledge that I am going to have to subpoena his partner. If I don't know this, I'm not a lawyer, didn't pass the bar. I am intelligent, but I do not know that I would have to subpoena him. Okay? So I feel that.
We had this discussion when we were last in court. I told you to make sure that all your witnesses were notified to be here, anybody you were gonna call. You tell me you wanna get, is this,
Your Honor, the state is not and will not seek a license suspension for what Your Honor can see are fairly routine, very minor traffic violations if Your Honor finds that they are traffic violations. So the state's not seeking a license suspension. I wouldn't be seeking anything
I don't
more.
think that's what he's saying. He's saying
I understand.
whether I take his license or not, it's going to result in his losing.
It's collateral.
That's correct.
Collateral